Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Studd Muffyn Berberine. Berberine is a powerful natural compound derived from plants, known for supporting healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. For best results, take 1 capsule 2 to 3 times daily with your main meals. This helps with absorption and minimizes potential stomach upset. Remember, consistent daily intake is crucial to experience the full range of benefits this supplement offers for your overall well-being. To maximize the effectiveness of your Studd Muffyn Berberine, always take it alongside a meal. Food helps improve its absorption significantly. You might also consider splitting your daily intake into 2 or 3 doses throughout the day, rather than taking it all at once, for more consistent support. Before adding any new supplement to your routine, it is always wise to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it is right for you. Consistent use of Studd Muffyn Berberine offers several key health advantages. It is widely recognized for its ability to help maintain healthy blood glucose levels, which is vital for overall metabolic health. Furthermore, berberine supports cardiovascular well-being by assisting with healthy cholesterol balance. Some research also indicates its potential role in weight management and promoting a balanced, healthy gut microbiome, contributing to digestive comfort. While Studd Muffyn Berberine is generally well tolerated, it is important to adhere to the recommended daily dosage and never exceed it. Pay close attention to how your body responds, and if you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Remember, this supplement is designed to support your health, not to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always prioritize your well-being.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.